Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I am unbelievably excited to flip through this giant book with you, and this time I actually used Simple Stories 12x12 collection kit, Boho Sunshine, tons of cut-aparts, a cardstock sticker sheet. I used 3 collections for this, and I had way too much fun. If you're new, it's so wonderful to be here with you, and if you're revisiting, I'm always so glad that you come spend your time with me. This one was a blast to make. I kind of just doodled on my own little leaves and little hearts and dots. And I ended up manipulating one of the sticker pieces out of the collection, and it said be happy. I took the B off and I stuck it right there. Popped up a cute little picture mat right here and kind of went around with my journaling pen and tucked some pieces around. Thanks to my wonderful friend Amy, I've got these little sprigs here in a punch, which is right here. So that's what I used for these little amazing iridescent little pieces right there. I had way too much fun designing the front cover of this. I actually was inspired by someone on Pinterest. They did a 12x12 layout and I kind of scaled it to the size that I wanted. So I've got some little banner strips right here and right here just some awesome ribbon from Hobby Lobby. And I created my own little situation right here, a little cluster of 3 different colors that I thought went well. This was just out of my crochet yarn stash. I went to town making my own little homemade pom-poms, and then I got a nice blank piece right back here to kind of leave it for whoever wants to put any info on the back of there, like a date or something. I'm unbelievably excited to open this. Oh my goodness. So right here, straight away on the front inside cover, if you did want to take the class for this particular design, I'll leave a link to the class information down in the description for you. I used wedding paper, but again, you can use anything you want. And throughout the entire book, you will notice all these little accents. I just kind of fussy cut my own little pieces out of some beautiful iridescent paper, and I kind of just spread it throughout the entire book. Right here, I've got like a cool little cluster of little mushrooms and a cute little sticker there. This opens up. And then this is totally, you can, of course, use any paper it is that you want. I've got some iridescent paper again happening here with the little mushrooms. Take it easy and smile big. This totally opens up for 5x7 pictures. You can hold about 50 plus pictures in here, and you can put, actually the wedding invitation is what I would put in there if you wanted to make this wedding theme like the other book I made. But really, the possibilities are absolutely endless with this one. And so that kind of just swings back and keeps that closed. So I ended up actually triple matting. As you can see, this shine here is actually an acetate sheet. I just wanted to experiment with that. And then I've got double matting here. So I've got the white cardstock and then the design paper, and then a nice place for a popped up little picture there and here. So this is a 3x3 spot and a 5x7 spot. And I've got a cute little corner pocket. And I tucked some little goodies in there. Now, if you've never taken a class with me before, this one is something you can do. And honestly, download the app. I'll leave the app as a link down in the description. It's totally free to download, and you can kind of browse around, take a couple free classes over there, completely ad-free, and you can kind of see what's been going on in the community. We actually just launched challenges, so everybody joined up, about 20 of our friends, and we just went to town. And I'm going to start decorating my Ho Ho Hello album, and we're going to have a total blast. So there's more challenges to come. So check out the app, download it. It's totally free. I'll leave that as a link down in the description for you as well. I would love to see what you make. So I kind of just popped this up and added a few stickers on there and ran around with my little journaling pen. You know me, I can't help myself. And each one of these pages is a pocket. So I've got a nice big insert in here for another 4x6 picture there. And I just added a couple little sandals and stickers there. A place for journaling if you wanted to. Of course, you could do this up in a completely different way if you wanted more picture space on there. So I've got a 3x4 piece, a 2x2, and just a couple more of these adorable little cut-aparts. And I added a little bit of ribbon. And that just goes right back in there. And then the next page right here, we've got a nice big 5x7 picture mat right there. I've got, again, iridescent paper. This completely folds up. You've got more picture space in here. And then a cute little sticker in there that ties up to keep this closed. I am completely in love with all the simple stickers. It was so easy to kind of put this together and make it look joyful and happy. And then I just got that from the Dollar Tree, that nice little ribbon. These are little swing tabs that I made, which I totally teach you how to do in the class as well. And then this flips up and reveals another little cluster. Cute little place for a picture there. So a lot of 5x7s and 4x6s in this one. Again, we got some vertical styles, and we also have horizontal styles. I've got some journaling little spots here simply on this page, and then these 2 little guys flip out this way, and then they both have cute little tags that come out, and you can really put whatever you want in there. I just ended up gluing mine on 3 sides so that I can kind of slip them in there and do a little circle punch action. Totally customizable. And again, I just created these cute little swivel tabs myself. Super simple and cute. Again, this is a pocket page album, so we've got 4 page units in here. A lot more goodies. And I just kind of did my own little assembly on the back of this one. Nice vertical 4x6 picture spot, and then some nice little journaling. And this is completely customizable. I know you guys would go crazy on here. Right here on the 4th page, I've got another popped up 4x6 little photo spot right there. Another corner pocket with all these cute little goodies in them. Just want to get a close up on this adorable little outfit with the headphones. In love. I just fussy cut these banners actually right out of one of the papers. And then so this one, I just have a cute little ribbon closure. And you could do some journaling inside of there if you wanted. Same thing with this one. I've just got a 4x4 cut apart as well. This one opens up the same way. And they're both different sizes just for a little bit of variation. Simple little cute tag out of the collection. This one was super fun. I kind of just really went to town on there. You can see actually that awesome little yarn is coming through the center there. And then I've got this whole little foldable little mechanism. So this kind of just tucks out and then opens up. We got a little tri-fold action in here. A place for a ton of pictures. And then this just tucks back in. And again, all this info is in that class. I teach you how to make all this stuff. It's so easy, step by step, and you will be 100% on your way. I actually did some corner rounding here as well. So this guy flips down and then reveals this cute little picture spot down here. I thought that would be fun to kind of change it up, so I just added a sticker in that little blank spot there and a nice little strip. My friend Debbie Kapitsky inspired me to kind of put strips in here instead, like she did with her steampunk album. If you haven't seen hers, I'll link it in the description as well. You make me happy little stickers, adorable, and that closes back up. And here's the insert for this one. Again, I had to do kind of a page repeat. It took me about 3 packs of this paper to be able to complete this big book. Right here on this page, I've got a cute, again, we've got more of those little stickers, more of my little journaling lines, and that iridescent paper. A little bit of a ribbon pull tab here for that one on this big flap, but first, here's a cute little booklet, magnetic. And then these 2 little guys swing over, and this opens up to reveal more pictures. I'm just totally in love with that little bike. This book is 11 inches by 11 inches, so it's huge. I've got some 4x6 picture spots here. That one goes up, and then this one goes down. And I've got like these little simple cardstock cutouts, and then I just stuck a super easy little sticker right over the top of that. And I kind of just did like a little rough cut right there with the cardstock. Simple Stories truly nails happiness with their paper packs. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I've got a cool little angle pocket going on here, another little cluster. And then I decided to take that border strip page and kind of just cut it down, and then I just stuck it right on there. 5x7 picture spots right here and on the back. And then thanks to my friend Jody Gears, she got me this cute little gift of this wonderful little punch, which is a tab. Absolutely love it, from Stampin' Up. I totally wanted to incorporate it in here to kind of bring this composition together with all the little shiny little elements here. And then again, I just fussy cut that little banner out, added a little bit of shine there, and a nice handmade cut right here with some solid cardstock, just to kind of create a little banner. And then for this side, we've got another nice big flap. I ended up adding my own little circles and that cute little outfit again. And then another little cut piece there, nice and organic looking. I just fell in love. I fell in love with this paper collection. I was having a blast using it. These open up to reveal this wonderful inside. I mean, is this not fun or what? I ended up adding a little bit of that iridescent nature right here, right on top of this little tag, just to create a little bit of interest here when you open that little flap. And then I did the same thing right here on this banner. I just love it. This collection made it super easy to kind of just layer stickers together and just have an absolute blast. Again, if you want to learn to make this entire design, I'll leave the link to the class information down in the description. And don't forget to download the YBM app so you can start browsing in there, seeing what's going on in the community, and you could take a couple free classes over there completely ad-free. If you ever have any questions, you can always email me or shoot me a message. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for joining me for this nice big project share, and I'll see you over there. Bye.